Identify the given instrument. So if you see the instrument here, it is going to have a spoon shaped area or the working end, and here you'll be able to identify certain serration that will be seen over the surface or the working end of the instrument, right? So these serrations are very characteristic to the file, and this question has been multiple times repeated in different kind of MDS entrance exams. So this is something that is very important for the exam also. So this is nothing but your file scaler. So what are files actually? Files are the things whose primary function is to fracture or crush large deposits of the calculus or burnished sheets of the calculus. So whenever there is calculus in the form of sheets, or it has been burnished by the scaling instruments, so we need to fracture this calculus. If we want to fracture these large tenacious sheet of the calculus or the burnished calculus, then we'll be using this particular instrument that is known as the file scaler. Okay, and it is going to have a series of blades on the base, and that is going to help you identify this particular instrument. So now this is the beneficence of this particular instrument, but at the same time it has a disadvantage. So if you are using the file in areas where the root is there, right, so it can easily roughen the root surfaces if these are not used properly. So that is an disadvantage. These can easily roughen the root surfaces if they are not properly used, and therefore these are not suitable for fine scaling and root planing. That's why mini bladed curettes are currently preferred for the for fine scaling in areas where files once have been used, right? So what happens, sometimes a question can be framed like that yes, the file has roughened the surface, right? So what you are going to use then to clean that particular surface or make that particular surface smooth, you are going to use the mini bladed curettes. So that can be another very important question here, right? So yes, these can, the other function of this can be, yes, removal of the overhanging margins of the dental restoration also. It's going to be one of the function of these files. So this can also help in removal of overhanging margins in case of class 2, right? So this is whole about this particular instrument. So yes, the answer to this question is going to be your first, that is file scaler. So we'll quickly walk through the key concept here. They have already given the serrated images here, and if we see the explanation here, so the primary function is to fracture or crush large deposits of the calculus or burnished sheets of calculus. So coming back to the question, the answer is file scaler.